Welcome humans to the stream. Welcome humans. Hey, what are you doing? Huh. Welcome everyone. It's the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! Saying good morning, good evening, good everything out there. Looks like we had the alien, the absolute alien out there who tried to jump into the live stream. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. So absolutely a great time to be alive. So guys, we're going to be talking about why is the OG so happy. We got the alien. Welcome humans to the stream. I don't know what's going on, but we got Dino out there. So guys, it is a great time to be live. So hopefully everybody, how is the sound, guys? Tell me how the sound is. Just make a quick comment out there. Let me know how the sound is. Shane in the house, Shipmaster in the house. Much love to everybody out there. So guys and gals, we're going to be talking about why am I so happy, guys. We're seeing that, why are the markets pumping, guys? We're going to be talking about that and much more. Guys, don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. Don't forget that. And remember, nothing here is financial advice. Do become a member. I would appreciate it. Absolutely become a member out there, guys. So let's jump into it. Let's absolutely jump into it. So right now we can see that Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is looking very good. As you guys know, that Bitcoin yesterday, it did touch almost as high as just over $26,000 out there. And right now we do see that Bitcoin has some resistance at around about $25,000 out there. And we got some really good support around about 24,300. So why are the markets pumping? Why are the markets pumping? It's very simple. The markets are pumping because of fear of banks. That's all. Nothing much, nothing less. It's all fear of the banks. The other stuff that came in as well, we saw that the CPI data came in very good yesterday. So, we can see that CPI is on the way down, down. So we're seeing a lot of positiveness out there. So from my perspective, as you guys can see that yesterday we saw that the US markets were good, very good out there. So that is pretty good. Also too, what am I thinking next week? I think that the FOMC meeting, I think there's going to be no rate hikes out there. I don't think we're going to see any rate hikes. Get your words right. And I think that most likely, the next week FOMC meeting, I think they're going to be I think Jeremy Powell, he's just going to say, look, let's give it a break out there. Let's not do any rate hikes. Let's give the economy a rest. Let's cool everything off. So that's what I am thinking. What do you guys think? Shipmaster Shane, what do you guys think about next week FOMC interest rate decision? Do you think that the Fed is going to not have rate hikes? 25 basis points, 50 basis points. I'd love to hear what you're going to say out there, guys. So, Latrang, what do you think? Shipmaster, what do you think? Alex, what do you think? Are we going to be seeing rate hikes next week? Are we going to be seeing 25 basis points? Are we going to be seeing 50 basis points? What are you thinking we're going to be seeing out there, guys? So, so far so good. CPI is looking good. Bitcoin is looking good. So that is good news out there. What else is coming? You also have to understand that the banking collapsed. AMA Bamba, hello, welcome. You guys have to understand, as we have more banks go down, that is wonderful, absolutely wonderful for Bitcoin, absolutely wonderful for the Bitcoin narrative out there, guys. So that is pretty interesting out there. So let's just take a look at what's going on with DXY out there, guys. Let me allow that. DXY right now is going down, so that is pretty good. That's absolutely good beans. We're seeing that the S&P is going up, as we talked about, so that is positive, and that was really backed by the CPI data that came out. So that is positive. Bitcoin, as I said, is looking very good right now. On the 15-minute, we just seem to be consolidating right now for Bitcoin, but overall we're doing pretty good, and we can see that 24,300 is a good support level. We have support here, we have some support here, so it's acting as very strong support. So this is very good news. If you take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin on the daily right now, we can see right here, let me just fresh up this chart. You can see a massive climb yesterday as we got as high as 26,380. We've cooled off a little bit. We do have some resistance at 25,100, and that is acting as a resistance. But you guys can see that overall, if you take a look at where we are right now, in terms of price wise. The last time we saw prices at this level was back way here, guys, back in June 2022. So we're seeing that, Bitcoin has reached a 6 month high, guys. So that is more than 6 months, guys. So it's absolutely great. Balsamic out there. Balsamic is saying 25 basis points. Vince is saying 50 basis points. Alex is saying 25. Shane Smith is saying 25. GA is 25. Shipmaster is saying no rate hikes, guys. So I'm kind of leaning towards more no rate hikes out there, but we can see that Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Bitcoin on the daily also is looking very good, guys. It just, it got slam-a-lama ding-dong at the 25,000 range, but I think we're definitely going to be picking up out there, so that is pretty good. Let's take a look at Bitcoin with the predator on. So if you take a look at Bitcoin with the predator indicator on, we are seeing lots of green, a nice white dot here, and we're seeing green. So this is indicating that we could see some more topside around about 26.5 coming in, guys. So that is pretty good. Ethereum is also looking very good, similar structure to Bitcoin. Yesterday we did see that Ethereum out there did hit a high of around about 1783. So that is pretty good. And don't forget, we've got some new information for Ethereum as well. We're seeing that the number of Ethereum that's been burned is like insane, guys, absolutely insane. So we're gonna be talking about that. But overall, hey, and if you guys are wondering where to get the predator indicator, you can go to the Decentrader crypto intelligence dashboards and indicators you can't get anywhere else, guys. I do have an affiliate link, full disclosure out there, absolutely full disclosure out there. Basimic, welcome. Caesar says 50 basis points out there. Basimic is saying insane in the membrane if you think they're going to start cutting. I don't think they're going to start cutting, but I think that the next FOMC, they may absolutely just say, okay, let's give everybody a rest. Let's give everybody a break out there. Let's take a look at what's going on with the fear and greed out there. Let me give this a minty refresh. Snap, crackle, pop. Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin to the moon. So we're seeing that right now Bitcoin is neutral out there. So not too shabby. We're neutral, and hopefully that we will get more greedy. And remember, this is a contrary indicator. You want to do the exact opposite. When the smart money is selling, you often see a lot of retail investors FOMOing in. So that is what I say, the story of woe when it comes to retail investors out there. They often absolutely do the opposite of what everybody's doing. Cranky fist. Woo, live action. I appreciate it, guys. Welcome. Cranky, where are you right now? You're in Da Nang. Cranky Fish was in Da Nang last week. Where are you right now, brother? Please comment. I appreciate it. So what is going on? Let's take a look at the heat map, guys. Heat map time. So we're seeing the heat map is looking very good. We're seeing Bitcoin is about to get past 25,000 pretty soon. Ethereum is above $1,700. So most of you out there, what? Do you know what? Okay, go back to sleep. So most of you are probably your portfolios are looking pretty good. So that is cool beans out there. So good news out there. So guys, this is kind of interesting. I just thought this was kind of interesting, and this is basically printing money, right? So if you take a look at the consumer price index since 1950 to now, you can see that it's just going crazy, right? It's just going up. And if you take a look at the consumer price index in terms of your purchasing power for dollars, it is just going down. So you can see here, and I think this is from Walker, and what he's saying is that individual CPI numbers don't matter. What matters is a long-term trend. They will continue to create money out of thin air and all this kind of stuff out there, and stimulate our economy and fund our bloating here. I don't want to say it. Your money will buy less and less every year, and this is also one of the narratives why we think that cryptocurrency is going to be going up. Cryptocurrency will continue to be. Looks like Cranky Fist is in Saigon out there. Dogecoin to $1, insane in the membrane, guys. Dogecoin to $1. We could see Doge. 2025. We could see a buck for Doge. Possible, absolutely possible, guys out there. Do you think that we could see Dogecoin going to $1 in 2025? Coming up a storm like a madman out there. What else is coming in as well? Some more cool information that really supports the narrative for Bitcoin. You guys can see that banks are failing, and a record high 67.7% of all Bitcoin has now been removed, has not moved over a year. And just imagine when we hit the new top in 2025, and you can see that all of this Bitcoin is being hodled like never before. And we've never seen this much Bitcoin on a yearly been hodled before. And if you look at the hodl waves, we're just going up. And what that tells me, that in 2025 we are going to see that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Ethereum are going to go nuts, guys. And this is really setting the stage for a huge parabolic run, unlike any other that we've seen. And hyper Bitcoinization is here, guys. So there's more and more users who are loving Bitcoin and holding Bitcoin like crazy. And this just is, the evidence is there. Once again, 67.7% of all Bitcoin has not moved in over 1 year, guys. And we haven't seen that. So once again, to repeat myself, this means that Bitcoin is going to the freaking moon, guys. So it's amazing, absolutely amazing. More evidence out there. If you take a look at the Bitcoin halving cycle comparison on block time, you can see that we have our tops. We had a top here. We had a top here. We had a top here. We had a double top, remember? Then we go down. And just bummed $2. Thank you very much. Dogecoin to the moon. Guys, I appreciate that. Just bummed just gave a super chat. I appreciate it. To the moon, brother. God bless you. I appreciate it. So you can see here we had these tops in cycle 1, having cycle 2, cycle 3. Right now we had the double top, right? Had a double top. And now we've had this downward consolidation for almost just over a year. Downward. Now we're in consolidation phase. This is a realized price, and now we have bounced up above the realized price. And you can see here, pretty similar. We went down, we go down, accumulate, go below, come back up the realized price, and then blast off. You can see that here again, under, then blast off over. So we're seeing that it's a very similar pattern, very similar setup, and you can see that every 4 years we have very similar pattern. Sure, the price point. Hey, Raymond in the house. Raymond in the house. I appreciate it, guys. I just want to give a big shout out to Shane out there, Raymond, Steghard, Just Bum, Andy J, The Motion in the house, guys. I appreciate it. Scott Irish, one of my beautiful members out there, one of my beautiful subscribers. Much love to everybody. So you can see here that sometimes you just need to zoom out, take everything in perspective, and what we're seeing here is a pretty normal cycle for Bitcoin. And remember, because Bitcoin is the king daddy, the king of all the cryptocurrencies, all the altcoins will move in tandem with that. So interesting, very, very bullish, guys. February core inflation 5.5 as expected. Previously 5.6. So we came in good, guys. The CPI came in good, and that is why we did see that the markets did pump, guys. That is why we did see the markets pump, guys. So that is good. Also, it looks like headline inflation rate 6% as expected. Previously 6.4. So this is good news that the CPI came in, because as I said in my previous video, if we had the CPI data coming in really hot, that would have been very negative. That would have driven the markets down, and that would have had also a spillover effect on the cryptocurrencies. And if that hot CPI data put more pressure on banks, we could have seen perhaps another bank collapse out there, but we didn't. So that is good news. The Fed has created a backstop right now, and they're securing and shoring up all of the banks out there. Daniel out there, OG, can I get a shout out? Daniel Ibarra, I love you, brother. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. You got your shout out. The alien, the alien gives you a shout out, Daniel, and also the Dino also gives you a shout out. So if you guys want a shout out, you know what to do out there. I appreciate it. So that is good news, absolutely good news. What else is coming in? Price changes over the last year, CPI report. We've seen that in the last year. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Let me make it bigger. We can see that price changes. Transportation is up 14.6%. I mean, I know a lot of you out there are feeling it. Gas is up 14%. Electricity up 12.9%. Food at home up 10.2%. Fuel oil 9.2%. Food away from home is 8.4%. So that's kind of interesting. Delivery and takeaway is cheaper in terms of the percentage gains compared to food at home. Interesting. Shelters up. Overall CPI 6%, new cars 5.8%, medical care is up, gasoline is down, and new used cars are down 13.6%, guys. 13.6%. So now's the time to get yourself a used car, guys. Get that Porsche Carrera, get that Porsche Cayenne, get that Ferrari, the used Ferrari, guys. You know you need it. So it looks like the cost to eat food at home is up over 10% in the last 12 months. Completely unsustainable for the average American out there. Latrang, thank you for the super chat. A big shout out to Latrang. Alien gives you a big. This is Latrang. Big kiss for Latrang out there. And guys, I mean, everybody that's in the U.S., how are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you feeling the pinch out there? Are you feeling the pinch out there? Please comment, guys. I appreciate it, guys. And if you're watching, don't forget to smash the likes. Don't forget to boop the likes. Boop the likes are out there, guys. I appreciate it. And guys, don't forget to boop the likes for humans out there. Humans need some love too, guys. So what else is coming in? We are seeing right now that Ethereum goes up in flames. Vitalik bonfire burns 3 million tokens since London fork. So we're seeing that amazing amount of Ethereum has been burnt. We're seeing that since the London fork, we're having this like burning frenzy. Shows no signs of slowing out there. Since the introduction of the London fork, and Glassnode data reveals that the total number of Ethereum burn has recently reached a staggering 3 million. 3 million. And at the current price, that's over 5 billion, guys. $5 billion worth of Ethereum has been burnt, guys. So, I mean, this is JME360. I appreciate it. And this is a huge catalyst for Ethereum because, the more Ethereum we burn, the more the price is going to go up. The more it's going to go up, guys. So that is why when I talk about cryptocurrency, I talk about the top projects, and I talk about diversification. I talk about all these important things, and it's really important that you diversify out there. And what am I holding right now? I mean, 50% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin, absolutely in Bitcoin. We're seeing the market cap at 1.1 trillion. That's up 2.06%. So that is cool, guys. We're going to look at how we're faring out there in terms of the monthly. But you can see right now that Bitcoin, I have 50% of my portfolio in Bitcoin. Diversification is key, not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. 25% in Ethereum, and then the rest 25% I have in the big caps, guys. I do not go as low. My last stop on the train when it comes to cryptocurrency in terms of the project is PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap, where is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap. So that's it. I only go as low as 70. That is it. That is it, guys. So get the jet fuel. I can smell the jet fuel. Dogecoin 111 and 555, the community out there, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash the like, share this video. And what am I holding right now? Bitcoin, Ethereum, definitely BNB I'm holding. We can see that the USD coin has repegged, so that is pretty good out there, guys. Cardano, I'm holding a lot of Cardano. Polymatic, I still love the Polymatic. Of course, I'm holding the Dogecoin, and look at the Dogecoin. We're going to be jumping into Dogecoin in a minute. Also going to be talking about some interesting McDonald's news for Dogecoin as well. We can see that the total market cap is up right now. We're seeing that Dogecoin is pumping, guys. Solana, not too much. Polkadot holding. Shiba Inu is up as well. Not doing as well as Dogecoin. I believe that was because the beta was released. Just Bum, thank you very much to the moon for Just Bum, and he gets a kiss from the air. Mwah. There you go, Just Bum. Some alien love out there, guys. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is not up as much as the other cryptocurrencies, and a lot of that has to do with that basically, buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news, and the beta is on live. The beta is live out there. So this is kind of like what I'm holding out there. So interesting news out there. Also, guys, as you guys know, Bitcoin price breaks 26K as U.S. inflation comes in at 6%. So this was fantastic, guys. As I said, it was actually fantastic. Sook M, hi OG. Did you know Saitama Hubei Global Partnership? I heard about that, brother. I heard about it. I actually am holding a little bit of Saitama from ages and ages ago. And also Sook M, I just want to say I love your Twitter, brother. I appreciate it. I appreciate you supporting the Doge community. And once again, when we're talking about the Dogecoin, remember, if you want Dogecoin to go to the moon, what you need to do is we need to get onto social media. We need to get onto Twitter, make YouTube shorts, do all that beautiful stuff, and get the message out there. It's so important that we get the message out there. And the alien wants you to get the message out there. Dino wants you to get the message out there. Get it while you can, guys. So 26 was like wow. Like I was sitting back, I was having my dinner here in Vietnam, sitting with my wife and my kid. I'm just like watching my portfolio like go ding, 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 ding. So it's good, guys. I mean, it was good. It's a good day. And keep in mind, as I said earlier, that we have absolutely not seen Bitcoin at these prices. The last time we saw these levels, ladies and gentlemen, was back in, it was back in June. So the last time we saw these levels was back in June, way back in June. So that is like insane, absolutely insane, that we're seeing a huge pump right now that we haven't seen. Last time we saw this like back in June. So it's amazing, absolutely amazing out there. We can see that staked Ethereum withdrawals being processed on Ethereum Gory testnet. So we're getting ready for the Shanghai hard fork, and once Shanghai hard fork comes in, all of that Ethereum that is staked on there will be redeemable. And remember. The way that Ethereum has built in the Shanghai fork is that you can redeem your staked Ethereum, but you can't redeem it all in one time. Christopher Olsen, can I get a Ric Flair? Woo! There we go, Christopher. I appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to show some love with super chats. I appreciate it. Show some love for the alien out there. And if you want the OG to kiss the alien, you know what you're going to do out there. So we're seeing that with the release of the Shanghai fork. Keep in mind that not all the staked Ethereum is going to be released at one time. So that is built in by Vitalik. So Ethereum doesn't dump. It has to go on in stages, guys. So that's going to be pretty good. Scott Irish, OG, have you seen the Pi reps in Vietnam? What do you think about it? I have to take a look at that out there. Pi. I have to take a look at Pi. I have not seen it, guys. I have absolutely not seen it. I did see yesterday, actually, Scott, I did see a car yesterday on my day off. The day before yesterday, me and my wife were walking downtown near the river, and I did see a car that said Pi something and something, and I didn't pay much attention to it. So I think they're doing marketing for that project. So I need to take a look at that. Absolutely take a look at it. I don't know anything about it. Nothing. I know nothing. Fed seen delivering 25 basis points rate hike next week. I believe, as I said earlier, I believe it's going to be zero at that. I hope it's zero, because that will send a message, and that will rock and roll the broader markets. That will rock and roll crypto out there. I believe that 25 basis point, I think it's kind of baked in, right? But if we don't get anything, get no rate hikes, I tell you, things are gonna pop. And guys, Dogecoin 111, guys, I would appreciate it. Guys, smash the likes, share the love, guys. Get this, tell the YouTube algorithm that you're out there. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you're a human out there. I appreciate it, guys. What else is coming in as well? Looks like breaking Wall Street opens higher on it as inflation data bolsters bets of smaller rate hike, guys. So bye. So guys, it's a great time to be live, and I don't think this is a dead cat bounce. I absolutely think that we're going to continue going up and here, guys. So Allison Edmond, any news on the Japanese exchange accepting SHIB? I believe that has been confirmed out there, that there are Japanese exchanges that accept SHIB right now. So we're seeing that BTC makes very similar picture as in 2020, 2011, 2015, 2019, 2022. We can see here that the blue line indicates a moving average, 200-day moving average on the 3D chart right now. So you can see we're seeing a very similar pattern. And every time we had this whole bull structure here below the 200-day moving average, we often reversed the upside and had a pumpity pump, guys. So I think it's just a matter of time. And what people are saying, there was a lot of people earlier, like 3 or 4 months ago, 5 months ago, when Bitcoin was like at $19,000, and people are saying, look, the Bitcoin's going on at 10K, and the gloom and doom. But from my perspective, we already hit the bottom. The bottom was right here. Let me just fix up this chart so you guys can see. From my perspective, that's the bottom. The bottom is right here. That is the bottom right there. And since then, we have made a tremendous gains from this bottom here to where we are now. We have gone up almost 57%, guys. 57%. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I'm not giving up. I'm still confident. I'm still positive out there that good things are coming. And remember, good things will come. Don't forget, we've got the Bitcoin halving. That is coming. That is absolutely coming, guys. Bang, 410 days. So April 28, 2024 is the next halving. As we lead up to that, there's often a dip, but once it's done, boom, chakalaka, to the freaking moon, guys. It is a great time to be alive, guys. So things are looking pretty good out there. We talked about this. What else we talked about? Looks like Bitcoin ready to attack the resistance in this consolidating form and restructure. So we have seen this time and time again in 2019, and now we're seeing it again. And every time this structure is attacked, we go above this resistance level here, and we ought to have a nice pump, guys. So that is pretty cool. That's pretty awesome, guys. Awesome. Pretty similar structure is happening, guys. So get ready for that. Get ready. I'm ready. I can smell the rocket fuel, guys. It looks like from Trader Tardigram, my man. I love this guy, my friend out there. Trader Tardigram in the house. Big shout out there. Ortho RDH. Hey sis, good to see you out there. I haven't seen Angry Lion. Where's Angry Lion? Ortho RDH out there. Dogecoin 111. We were in a live stream earlier today, and we were chitty chatting, and I did see Angry Lion in that live stream as well, but I don't see him anymore, guys. But it is what it is. So right now we're seeing that this is from Trader Tardigram out there. Bitcoin on the weekly chart shows that BTC is forming the right shoulder of an inverted head and shoulder pattern, which was a bullish chart pattern in 2020, right here, before we had this massive double top bull run. Pop goes the weasel, and we could be seeing something very similar happening. We're seeing it again. So history may not repeat 100%, but definitely it's going to rhyme, rhyme. So it's good, guys. This is also more bullish signs. That is why I am so happy out there, guys. I thought this was funny. 18 days to break you. Remember, we had this whole 18 days of going down, and then 3 days to take it away from you. And this is what is important message here. Some will always sell the low, and there will be others that always buy the top. Okay, so remember, dumb money does that. They sell at the low and buy the tops. That's dumb money out there. You do not want to suffer from that. Remember, timing tops is like throwing a knife in the air. Trying to catch it is very difficult. That's why what I do is I out there dollar cost average, set a dollar cost average right now, and I dollar cost average on the hodl, wait for light changing wealth. And it's so important that, as I always tell you guys, it's so important that you have to take profit. And I basically set a plan in motion. When I'm up 200%, bang, I take profits, 50%. When I'm up 400%, bang, I take profits, 50%. So that way you always pay yourself. Make sure you pay yourself. Do not chase FOMO rockets. It is not a good look. And remember, control your emotions. Absolutely control your emotions. Some more negative news banking wise. Looks like Deutsche Bank calls the rate hikes, joining Goldman Sachs and Barclays in a course. So more and more banks are saying, look, we don't want the rate hikes. And it looks like Deutsche Bank and Swiss Bank was also having, Credit Suisse was also having some problems out there, guys. So so it looks like Justin banking giants Chase, Citigroup are trying to handle largest movements of deposits over in a decade. So since we've had some of the SVB, Silvergate, and all these other banks collapsing, what has happened out there is a lot of people who had bank accounts are closing their accounts on small banks, and they're flocking to the large banks in America like Chase, Citigroup, JP Morgan. And in fact, they're having a hard time opening these accounts fast enough, so they've streamlined the depositing and opening new accounts, guys. So interesting news out there. So it's a big win for the big banks, guys, out there. So breaking news, looks like the Zuckerberg from Meta is laying off 10,000 more workers. He said, look, he's stopped with NFTs out there. Looks like Meta CEO Zuckerberg said Tuesday the company has plans to cut 10,000 employees. They had laid off 11,000 in November out there. So I think Facebook is kind of doom out there, and I think Twitter, Elon Musk, our friend, is going to pick up the slack from that. So if you love Elon Musk, tweet out there, tweet it. And guys, if you love the alien, you want the OG to kiss the alien, super chats would be appreciated. I appreciate it. Out there, guys, great time to be alive out there. So what else is coming in? What else is coming in right now? Let's take a look at what's going on right now with the let's give this a refresh. We'll take a look at the liquidations out there. Let's see if the apes have been active out there. Let's see. Here we go. Come on, data. Let's no wreckage. There we go. Poof. Wow. $310 million worth of wreckage out there, and I can guarantee you, most of it is shorts, guys. So let's see who's been wrecked. Bitcoin, Ethereum, CFX, okay, Filecoin. We're not seeing the Doge, so that is pretty good. If you take a look at what's going on in the last 24 hours out there, shorts, yeah, short squeeze, baby. Hourly shorts, all shorts, guys. So it looks like everybody who had all these short positions have been totally annihilated out there, guys. Stop leverage trading. Ortho RDH, thank you, sister. I appreciate it. So I guess I got to kiss the alien. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And Ortho RDH, you get a bonus. You get a bonus. Kissing the Dino. Yeah. There you go. So Ortho got a bonus out there. Hey, Chris DeMarco, my mods. Hey, I want to say a big thank you to all the moderators out there, keeping us safe, keeping us clean, keeping us beautiful out there. I appreciate that. Much love out there, guys. Much love out there. What else is coming in? If you take a look at the historical returns for Bitcoin, guys, you guys are going to be amazed, absolutely amazed by this. It is fantastical. If this thing is going to load, here we go, loading. Let's take a look at the monthly returns. So right now, guys and gals, look at that. Beautiful. January, we're up 39.63%. Let's call it 40. And February is even, so 40. We're up almost 47, 48% and change. Wow. Chris, thank you. I appreciate it. Big shout out to David Racine and Shane Smith and Chris DeMarco, my moderators. I love you guys. I love you. Dogecoin to the moon. Moderators to the moon. I appreciate it. So guys, it's so far 2023. Insane. David Racine, thank you very much. I got to kiss the alien again for David Racine. Here we go. Mwah. David Racine, the alien kiss. I appreciate it, guys. Alien wants to say something. Thank you, David. Thank you so much. So we're seeing that year to date, it's amazing, guys. Blast Off City up almost 45%. Wow. Whoa. So it's pretty exciting, guys. So it looks like David's getting some alien love out there. Some love from the alien. Let me get my face out there. They're alien. Maybe the alien should take over the stream. Hello, everybody. I love humans. Welcome, humans, to the OG live stream. Don't forget to smash the likes. Show some love out there. Show much love. Okay. He's hamming it up. He's hamming it up in the live stream. If you love the alien, if you love the green alien, smash the likes right now. La Trang, thank you. La Trang, thank you, La Trang. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. Much love, sister. So it looks like the alien's more popular than the OG out there. Interesting news out there, guys. Let's talk about Dogecoin. And before we do that, don't forget out there, if you want to be part of the conversation, you can join our Discord. Go down there, get the Discord. It's free, guys. Just advice, not financial advice. What I'm doing out there is get a hardware wallet. If you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, guys. So it's important. So let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin. McDonald's, we're still waiting. We're absolutely still waiting for Mickey D's to basically accept Dogecoin. And there was Mickey D's, they did comment, when Elon Musk said that he would eat a Happy Meal if Dogecoin was accepted. Now McDonald's did say Shane Smith, oh my, Shane Smith, thank you, Shane Smith, we love you, big time, big kiss for Shane Smith. Shane Smith in the house. Mike Anderson, I appreciate it. Mike Anderson in the house. Michael Anderson, thank you for all you do. Mike, thank you for being here. Remember, this channel is about a community. It's not about me. It is all about you. You out there. So basically, Elon Musk said, look, he's gonna eat a Happy Meal on TV, and if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin, and McDonald's did say, look, if Tesla accepts Grimace Coin, so that's why I tweeted this out. McDonald's was still waiting. Absolutely, we're still waiting out there. Elon Musk, when can we see Dogecoin to buy a Tesla? SYF guy M, beautiful. I love you. The alien loves you. Big there. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. More hamming it up from the alien. I think Dino's gonna have to get in here. You know, look, these guys are hamming it up. They don't need, you guys don't need me anymore. I'm out. There we go. Welcome humans. Welcome humans to the stream. When will Elon Musk accept Dogecoin to buy a Tesla? Now, if you prefer the alien and the Dino as a co-host, comment, and we'll get the OG out. We'll get the OG out. Now, okay, go back to bed, guys. So it looks like they're hamming it up. They're hamming it up. Chris Simpson, hello from Tennessee. Hello, brother. I appreciate it. Mick Doge. So we definitely need a Mick Doge, and we definitely need Elon Musk to accept Dogecoin for Tesla, not just the merch. Also, we're still waiting. We're still waiting for the SpaceX guys. And I'll be honest. I'm disappointed about it. I mean, what's going on? You know, when is that going to happen? People are saying like end of Q1. I'm still waiting. I'm actually still waiting out there. What else is coming in? Dogecoin Fear and Greed, 48 out there. So guys, looks like Mike Anderson. Do you expect a bull run of Bitcoin at the end of this month? I don't know, guys. But if we take a look at, I mean, I don't want to say I don't know. I mean, I look, guys. I mean, March, January, fantastic, right, Mike? February, fantastic, right? Well, not fantastic, neutral. Sorry, I'm blind. March, pretty good. And remember, it's the 15th. We're only halfway through. So there's no telling. I got a feeling that, you know, we can't continue to go up forever. We need to have one. Angry Lion in the house, brother. I was talking to Angry Lion earlier today in another live stream. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. James Lindsay, I love it. Thank you, brother. You know, so basically, you know, we've had 1, 2, 3 in the green. At some point, we're going to have some down day, right? So I got a feeling that maybe, but typically the springtime brings the love time. And this could be a pump. It's hard to say, but definitely, Mike, I think that we're going to have at least 1 month, 1 or 2 months somewhere here. I believe as we get into like, you know, May, June, July, I think it's going to be good. I got a feeling April could be kind of neutral. I think we could see April end up being like a February, pretty neutral out there. Chris Simpson, what about Doge 1 going up, guys? It's supposed to be by the end of Q1, guys. So I'm still hopeful that, you know, by the end of April, it's going to happen. But there's been no announcements. Absolutely no freaking announcements out there. So that's kind of got me all, like, not happy about it. I want the Doge going up, guys. The Dogecoin t-shirts, I apologize. Still waiting on that. I got to call my buddy in the U.S. I said, what's going on with the Dogecoin t-shirt? So right now, who the price of Dogecoin? Dogecoin right now is at 0.755. We are just above the support line. So I'm gonna change the color of this line. It's not red. It's the blue line, and we're just kind of sitting on the blue line right now. And you know, we need to get up there. We absolutely, guys, smash the likes, smashy. We got 138 people in a live stream out there. I was expecting a lot more. I was expecting 200-300 out there, guys. Guys, I'm waiting. Smash the likes, share this video out there. So we are seeing that Dogecoin is looking pretty good. It's above my blue line. It's above the resistance of 0.755. So it's looking good, guys. If you take a look at the Predator indicator, get me the Predator indicator. Where are you out there? According to Predator indicator, we got some green. We got some more upside. So boom chakalaka. Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin 555. And smash the likes already. I'm begging you. The alien's begging you. So Dogecoin is looking pretty good. I think our next stop is going to be about 8 cents if we continuing on. I would like to see Elon Musk kind of like say something. We have broken out of this downwards trending trend line, and this downward trend line has been going on for a very long time. Hopefully you guys can see it here. This downward trend line here has been going on since like November 2022. So we have broken out of it. We were below it before, so this is good, guys. This is pretty good news out there. Dogecoin 111. Thank you, David. Dogecoin 111. So that is looking pretty good out there. So if we take a look at the coin market cap out there, there we go. Minty refresh. We're seeing that Doge is up 3.9%. I love it. We're above the resistance. I love that too. look at the volumes, guys. Some beautiful volume out there. Beautiful volume. Beautiful, beautiful volume. Over $500 million, guys. Can you imagine $500 million in volume? We have not seen this for a long time for Doge. So this is pretty good out there. Pretty fantastic out there. We're seeing that the market cap right now is at 10 billion out there. We're seeing in terms of social mentions for Dogecoin right now. We're seeing the social mentions on the day. It's fantastic. Looks like things are spiking, guys. Things are spiking. Social mentions are up. Social engagements, like people are like, yeah. You know, talking more about a Dogecoin. And as we talk more about Dogecoin, that is going to help the price. That is going to pump. So, you know, Dogecoin needs a community. Dogecoin needs you out there. Dogecoin needs me out there. Dogecoin needs the alien out there. We can't forget about the Dino. We need the Dino. We need all of these people. We need all of you out there to do your part. Get off the couches, get off the sofa, and get to social media and start tweeting up a storm, guys. Start, you know, going crazy. But we are seeing that, you know, unfortunately, the social engagements on the weekly, not looking good, down 4%. We're seeing social contributors down 7.9%. We're seeing social mentions down 11%. We don't want to see that. You don't want to see that, guys. Who's in the money? Who's in the money for the Doge? Let me give this a minty refresh. Pow! Pop! 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 Pow! Pow! We're seeing 55% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money. So, guys, there's nothing to be really complaining about. 55% are in. 42% are out. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Weeby. So Shiba Weeby is doing good. Shiba Weeby is above the 11 resistance level, so that's good. That's cool beans. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is going up, guys. It did spike as high as 1168. But you know, where do I see Shiba Inu by the end of the year? From my perspective, I think, from my perspective, we're probably going to see this kind of area here for Shiba Inu by the end of the year. That's what I'm thinking. Don't get mad at the OG out there, because that's what I'm thinking. So, you know, from that perspective, that's what I'm thinking. That we're going to see about 18, 4 zeros at 18. I would really love Shiba Inu to basically delete a zero out there, guys. I would love to see that. Who's in the money? Who's in the money for Shiba Inu right now? Shiba Inu, let's give this a minty refresh. You know, we're seeing 33% are in the money, 63% are out. So from that perspective, look at Doge, guys. Doge is doing better performance-wise. Interesting. Let's take a look at the tokenomics for Shiba Weeby. Shiba's up 2.41%. Interesting. Doge is up 3.9. Oh, interesting. So, you know, Shiba Inu's, you know, because this whole Shibarium beta came out, people are expecting a lot more pow out there. It didn't really happen. So hopefully when we have the full-blown Shibarium, it's going to happen, guys, out there. So we're seeing the volumes over $500 million, 35% up. Not too shabby. Roof. Dogecoin to the moon. Community to the moon, guys. I appreciate it. And we're seeing the market cap is at 6.2 billion. Billion with a B, not starting for effect out there. It's a B, guys. So that's kind of interesting, guys. Absolutely interesting. So, guys, just take a look at this. I thought this was kind of interesting. So, if you guys have Dogecoin, okay, and you invested $500, okay, and you invested, let's say you invested $500 right now at 0.5 cents, okay, and then you sold it. You sold it at $1. Okay, you sold it at $1. You know, you would have $9,000 worth of profit. Okay, you know, so that's kind of cool, guys. Total return $9,900. Now imagine if you invested $10,000 in Doge, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right, and you bought it at 5, or let's say you bought it right now 7.5 out there. Okay, you bought it at 0.75. So you buy Doge today. For example, not financial advice. So you buy Doge today. You sell it for $1. Okay? You sell it for $1. That $10,000 would generate $123,000 profit. And that is 1,232%. So that's not too shabby. Not too shabby. Wabby in the house. Okay? So think about it. So let's be more realistic. Let's say at the end of the year, let's say we get 25 cents, okay? For example, okay, 25 cents, you still make $29,000 in profit. That's 299%. Let's be even more conservative. Let's say that Dogecoin, okay, Dogecoin, sorry, my bad. So let's say Dogecoin, my bad. Let's say Dogecoin, you buy it today at 0.75, okay? And then you sell it at 0.15 cents, okay? You would be up 99%, okay? You'd want extra money at 99% and you'd make $9,980, okay? So think of it from that perspective, that I think 15 cents by the end of the year is not too unreasonable of an expectation for Dogecoin. So think about it. Let's say this raises to, let's say it raises to 19 cents. It doesn't even get to 20. That's $15,000 worth of profit, okay? So your total return is 25K on a $10,000 investment. I don't know what bank can give you that kind of return out there. And keep in mind that, we're taking, 0.05% investment fee and exit fee. So if we remove all the fees out there, you'd be making $15,333 profit, okay? Let's say we get up to 25 cents, which is not impossible if we get the Doge X and we get all that beautiful stuff happening out there. That would also give you $23,000 profit, guys. Smash the likes, smashy the likes, guys. So, guys, that's gonna bring this video to a close. Guys, don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. I would absolutely appreciate it. We're almost getting pretty close to 7,000 followers. Follow. And guys, don't forget to go and check out all the links down below. I appreciate it. And we got merch, guys. So check out the merch, guys. If there's no more questions, guys, I would appreciate it. If there's any questions out there, now's the time to ask. The OG, the alien says, I love you guys. I love you so much. I appreciate it. So guys, I want to say to everybody out there, be cool. Be nice to humans. I'll absolutely see you in the next one. And it's a great time to be live. Absolutely great time to be live. And we're going to end this stream right here, right now. So guys, be blessed. Be well. I'll see you in the next one. Dogecoin to the moon. Be good to humans. Love everybody. Love the planet. Love you. See you in the next one. Peace out.